Welcome. In today's tutorial, we're going to explore a fantastic feature in Google Chrome that enhances your browsing experience by enabling tab preview images. This allows you to see a quick visual of the content on each tab simply by hovering over them. Let's dive into the steps to activate this feature on your PC. First, open your Chrome browser. You can do this by locating the Chrome icon on your desktop or searching for it in your Start menu. Once you find it, click to launch the browser. Next, look towards the top right corner of the Chrome window. Here, you will see 3 vertical dots. This is known as the More button. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to the Settings page where you can customize various aspects of your Chrome experience. Now, scroll down until you find the Appearance section on the left side of the screen. Click on it to open up the Appearance settings. Within this section, you will see an option labeled Show Tab Preview Images. This is where the magic happens. Make sure to toggle the switch next to this option to turn it on. Once you've done this, you're all set. With this feature enabled, whenever you hover over a tab, a small image preview will appear, showing you a glimpse of what's on that tab without needing to switch to it. This can significantly improve your ability to navigate through multiple tabs efficiently. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Enjoy your enhanced browsing experience with visual previews in Chrome.